Summer is the time to eat lots of zucchini and other summery vegetables, and I'm going to show you how to do zucchini pancakes with chicken. And when you have different types of vegetables, try to eat them in different ways so you will start loving them. I'm using 3 large zucchini, around 700 grams, which I picked from my garden, and half of a capsicum, 2 carrots, 100 grams plain flour, 3 eggs, 300 grams chicken, 2 tablespoons yogurt, sour cream or curd, half a cup of mozzarella cheese, you can use cheddar or parmesan in this, salt, pepper, paprika and cumin, always to your taste, and 1 onion, few cloves of garlic, few pickled peppers. For the herbs you can use anything you have. I'm using parsley and some chives. So let's start doing this. When you buy zucchini, maybe you have noticed that there are different types of zucchini. This one has less water than the green one. That's why I always grow this one, and I find the taste is much creamier than the green one. So grate the zucchini into a bowl. Now into that add a bit of salt and mix and leave aside. Now I am going to grate the carrots. Now into a small food processor I am going to add the peppers, garlic and the onion. Process it. Now into the same food processor going to add the chicken. I just want roughly chopped chicken, so this is the size I'm going to take. You can use minced meat instead. Now going to chop the parsley and the chives. Into a pan add about a tablespoon oil. Into that add the chopped onion, garlic and the peppers. Cook about 1 to 2 minutes. After add the chicken into it. Cook 5 minutes. After cooking few minutes add the carrot and the capsicum. Cook another minute until there is no liquid. After add the spices, salt, pepper and cumin. And the herbs. Cook few seconds. So this is ready, there is no liquid and I'm going to switch off. Now let's do the rest of the recipe. For that, take a clean tea towel or a muslin cloth and put the zucchini onto it. After, squeeze all the excess water and put back into the bowl. So once there is no liquid, it will look like this. Now the chicken is ready, it's cooling down. We can do the pancake mix. For that, break the eggs into it. I get lots of requests from the dieters who want to do a diet. This will be a good recipe for them too. Can eat everything but less carbohydrate. And add the yogurt. Mix well. Don't forget that this has a bit of salt that we put before. So when you add salt, be careful and add enough salt and pepper to your taste. Now let's add a bit of flour. Don't add the 100 grams at once. Add about 50 grams. Mix. I think 50 grams will be enough to the liquid that I have in this zucchini. Sometimes it might be different to yours. If you are using the green one, you will have to add more flour. I like this consistency. Let's do the pancakes. I'm doing these pancakes for 4 people, so use your eyeball measurement to measure 4. I'm going to use this much for 1 person. Into a pan, add about half a teaspoon of oil. Apply it all over the pan. Take 1 spoonful and spread it evenly. And make sure, as I always tell you, that you need to control the heat when you do something like this. So I am cooking on a very low heat. Slowly spread it. And cook this on a low heat about 1 to 2 minutes. If you want to cook it quickly and softer, use a lid to cover. Once one side is ready, slowly put a spatula and put it upside down. Don't overcook it. After, divide the chicken again into 4 if you are doing 4 only, and put quarter of the chicken onto one side like this. Press. Then just a little bit of cheese. If you want more, you can add more. Now slowly get the pancake and flip it over like this. It's a beautiful pancake. Less calories and lots of veggies and meat. Now cook on both sides until golden brown. After, turn it to the other side slowly and cook on that side until this color. And it's ready. Take it out. And this is another 1-pot meal and a budget and a dieter's meal that you can try at home. Let's cut it and see how it looks like. It's a really nice soft pancake with lots of chicken in the middle, and you can make this ahead and put in lunch boxes for the kids or even for your lunch box. And hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.